Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to add payment method on Shopify. So let's get started. You will open up your Shopify admin and now you will add any payment method. Just go to the settings and then click on payments. Here we have three payment bases. First, we have payment providers, supported payment methods, and then manual payment methods. In manual payment method, we have bank deposit, money order, and cash on delivery. If you want to add a payment method, just click right here and you will be able to add any kind of payment method on Shopify. So now you can see there's Visa available, MasterCard, then there's American Express, Union Pay, Klarna, Apple Pay. All of these different methods are available, even crypto. So you can accept crypto as well on Shopify. You just select the payment methods, for example, Visa, MasterCard, and then I can go with Discover Union Pay. And you can see it's offering me a third party that provides all of these methods. So I can activate this one too. And now you will just connect this payment method. Just create an account on any of these payment providers and connect it to your Shopify. So it says connect, click on connect, and then you can connect your Stripe, your PayPal, any payment method. You can also go to the payment providers right here, and these are third party payment providers with a lot of different options available. So you can like just add your ePay maybe account, so you will be able to receive payment in all of these different methods. Given uh, I hope that I was a big help to you. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.